The Hubble image has shown that the cluster is more massive than any other young cluster in the galaxy. And in fact, it's much denser than even some globular clusters, which were previously the densest clusters in the galaxy. It also indicates that the kinds of star formation which produced globular clusters 10 billion years ago can still happen. I received the images just a few days after they were taken, and I quickly reduced them and displayed them on my monitor. And at that point, it was obvious that we had gotten much deeper than ever before, and that this